Oh, hey guys, how's it going? We're opening this today. I made a poll where it was like, should I grow crystals again or open one of these first? The only person who voted was my mom, but I don't care because we're opening. No, the cards are Space Dig. And so there's like these little, there's this one of the Earth, and I've opened these before. I've had this for like 2 years. But inside of those, it has these little like digging tools, and inside of that, ow! That hurt. That hurt. And inside of them, you have little rocks, and they have these cards of like, what rock did you get? It also comes with this thing for you to put the rocks in. It only comes with one, I think. Which one should we do? Should we do the moon, Jupiter, or Earth? We could probably do all three. Alright, let's start with Jupiter, though. Let me get, like, something. This is satisfying, so I figured you'd want to see. I love doing that. I kind of want to bite into it. They're so little. Like, this looks, it just looks so good. Okay, anyways. So, I have this little thingy. And I see a little area right here. So I'm gonna, it makes such a mess, so I need a plate. I feel like it's gonna get into my eye. I made a little bit of progress. I see it a little more now. I see it. I see it. I see it some more. Oh, God. I got it out. Beautiful. I wonder what it is. My hands are so dirty now. Okay, the next one's the moon. It has a bunch of like texturing on it. This one, I want to take a different approach. I think I want to get it a little wet. And that way it'll be super easy to just get right in there. Instead of going like this for 20 minutes. I'm gonna dunk it in. Dude, now it's like, oh my gosh. Night, day. Night, day. I don't know what I'm doing. Alright. Jeez, look how easy that is. I wonder if I could just... I could use my... my hands are all dirty. Here's the rock. Alright, we have one last one in this entire kit. Okay, so this is cool. My viewers live here. Some of them live right here. And some live right here. That's, yeah, and then I think it said someone is from Indonesia or something. That was so blended in! Here. No way. I think there might be another rock inside of Jupiter. That was so close. Oh, I got it! I got it! Yay! Is it the same dang thing? I don't know what that is. Okay, here's the mess, which I will be cleaning. Do not worry. We got this rock, we got this rock, we got this rock, and we got this rock. They look pretty cool. Okay, so Google couldn't really pinpoint these two, and it just misread this one and thought it was like a heart pin thing that you would buy, I don't know, girlfriend or something. So they don't, yeah, but we did get some, what's it called again? Quartz stone. I definitely didn't forget quartz stone. Hey guys, find the difference between these pictures. I don't know, you tell me. Here are my 4 beautiful rocks, and that's the end of the video. Okay, bye.